Kia ora! I'm celebrating Māori Language Week 2019. I encourage all New Zealanders, at home and overseas, to join me. In my role as Governor-General, I attend all kinds of events and I hear Māori language used more and more, by Māori delighting in the language, mana and tikanga of their forebears, and by people from every background you can imagine. Nothing says I'm a New Zealander more clearly than the use of Te Reo Māori in a speech, in conversation, in song or in writing. I'm following the advice of the Māori Language Commission. Aha ko iti, a ko nā, kōrerotia. Learn a little, use a little. And I'm learning more. Kia nui ake, te ako, ka kōrero ai. Learn more, use more. Nō reira, whakanuia Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori. Celebrate Māori Language Week, at home, at work, at play, everywhere. Kia kaha, Te Reo Māori.